I am right here. The Brandenburg Gate is undeniably a historical landmark where numerous significant events occurred, including the division of Berlin into eastern and western parts, affecting many individuals. In their efforts to escape, many lost their lives. Unfortunately, this segment of history serves as a reminder of the adverse outcomes of constructing barriers, emphasizing that such actions generally result in division and segregation of people. We, as human beings, are accustomed to living collectively in society rather than being isolated or segregated. Wouldn't you agree? But this is a great lesson that was left in history for humanity and that we come to know the place physically to remember. Obviously, it is no longer the same at the time, but hey, I came to remember what more or less the place is like. So we are here, happy to have come to this beautiful historical place.